Today, 2nd October, we celebrate the feast day of our guardian angels. Since the moment of our conception, we are accompanied by a great spiritual being known as guardian angel. Their mission is to guide you, protect you, and do everything they can to guide you to heaven. They are the faithful companions that have never left our side. They help humans in every way possible by them. The guardian angel cannot affect its humans' free will but only the senses and imagination, and through these the intellect, which means they aren't able to control us or force us to do anything we are unwilling to do. It is up to us whether to listen and cooperate with them. It is good if we can thank our guardian angels for watching over us. The Lord's angels are in perfect union with Him and are without sin, so they don't feel a lack of anything without our gratitude. Our acknowledgement of their work is more of a benefit for us to build a better relation with our guardian angel. Some ways by which we can express our gratitude are: pray with your angel. Your angel constantly sees God while simultaneously watching over you. They are already praying for you and doing everything they can to help us be much holier and more faithful to our baptismal call. When you pray with your angel, they join and enhance your personal prayer. Talk to your angel. This can seem a little odd to think about, communicating with a being that has no body or audible voice to converse with us. It can seem like you're talking to yourself. Angels are not allowed to read your mind, but they can hear you through thought if you allow them. It's somewhat like speaking telepathically. Participate in the sacraments. Each sacrament is a direct encounter with the living God, and the host of angels are always present at sacraments. Your angel rejoices each time you receive a sacrament because it strengthens your connection with them and God. Go to adoration. Eucharistic adoration is a unique form of prayer when we are in the presence of Jesus' body, blood, soul, and divinity. We lack the fullness of understanding or enter deeper forms of prayers on our own. Angels can guide, inspire, and reveal a deeper connection in our prayers. Work together with your guardian angel. All of us were given gifts to live our mission in this world, and the Lord has assigned an angel to complement those gifts. Angels are constantly trying to help us, but there is a big difference between ignoring them and cooperating with your angel to do the work of your mission. So, on this day, let us particularly thank our guardian angels for being there for us, taking care of us, guarding us, and guiding us throughout our life. Amen.